guys, welcome to part 2 Subway Surfers. And you already seen part 1. I was kind of bad, but I didn't really practice on it behind the scenes. But I'm already in the game. But I decided to play it with you guys again, and you are so cool, guys. I hope you liked my first video and my sister's video. I have a sister, and I forgot to tell you that. He is my sister. Like, I'm the small one, he's the big one. So, let's just start playing the game. I'm just explaining about my sister. Okay, so, I'm just explaining about... Oh, no, okay. I just started the game and I'm already losing. And I'm already losing. Okay. Play again. This. Help me fly on the air. Help me. Okay. What am I? Oh my god. Okay. 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 Oh no. Okay. How do I hate? Like, he's running so fast. I feel like he's running faster and faster. Yeah, hi, Sky. Tap to continue. Okay, I don't care. My coins, my scores. I'm actually getting better. I don't know. Maybe I used to. Thank you. The fun of life. Yeah. I'm the best. Yeah. Thank you. He's so much far. I really didn't have anywhere to go. Like, they run so fast and I didn't have anywhere to go. Come on. Have to continue. Okay, let's play again. Hopefully the game is not bigger than my voice. Oh my. Go up. Oh my god, I finally understand. Okay. Are you serious right now? Are you really serious right now? I keep dying in like the same place. I keep dying in like different places. And I always just need it. Like, I'm literally out in my living room. So I'm literally out in my living room playing this. Maybe I'm not really like looking at it. Oh my god. Why did I go down? Nope. Come. Go up. Oh my god, I'm getting better at this game. Whoop. Okay, oh my. I thought it was literally stuff.